Alright, here we are. Welcome to the garden. We're finally seeing a few ripe fruits on the big giant tomato plants that are now reaching close to 7-8 feet. This is where the zinnias are still trying to come out. But we're getting close to reaching capacity. So many fruits. Got cucumbers. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of cherry tomatoes. Probably as many as last week, if not more. It's exciting. They knocked down the wasp's nest, so it's safer to be back here. Not as many cucumbers as usual that I'm seeing. They're usually hiding anyway. Who knows? Those many Brussels sprouts? Gonna have to harvest more mustard this week. I probably got a tablespoon or so last week. Maybe a little more. These guys are bushing out. Alright, there's a quick look, guys. We'll update you again soon.